نہیں آئی تھنک کہ لائک یو سیڈ انڈرسٹینڈنگ ہوتی ہے. دیر آر سرٹن تھنگس دیٹ گو وداؤٹ سیئنگ. وہ تو ایوری نارمل شادی میں بھی ہوتے ہیں. بائی نارمل آئی مین جو لوگ ہمیشہ اکٹھے رہتے ہیں, ساتھ رہتے ہیں. ہم لوگ تو وی اسپینڈ اے لاٹ آف ٹائم اپارٹ. بٹ ہیونگ سیڈ دیٹ آئی مین اٹس ویری ہارڈ. اٹس ناٹ ایزی ایٹ آل. دیر از اے لاٹ دیٹ گوز ان ٹو اٹ. دیر از اے لاٹ آف ورک لائک ایوری میرج. اینڈ it's tough to be in a public marriage, so to say, because there's a constant pressure. You're always 5 din photo nahi dalo to they're like, are they fighting, are they going to split, matlab. So it's always about that. I mean, we have both learned to live with it because we've been under the scanner for a long time in our lives, just separately as well and together as well. But I think it's about having trust and faith in each other and in the relationship, and I think that's what really keeps it going. Isse zyada I don't think there is a lot to it. I think we all know once, I don't know if you're married, but if you're married then you'll know, or if you're in a relationship for a long time, after a certain time it's all about respect and friendship, and it turns into those kind of things. It's really not about, oh my god, I can't live without this person for 1 second. It all that is really bachpana lagta hai that you, so over a period of time you become more of friends, you become companions, you become you share things with each other, you depend on each other. And I think that trust needs to be there between the two people for any relationship to work.
Okay, nice, thank you. That's a brilliant advice. Okay, Sania, you come from Hyderabad. Hyderabad کی 2 چیزیں بہت مشہور ہیں, وہاں کی اردو اور وہاں کی بریانی.
جی,
تو بریانی کی بات میں نہیں کروں گا, بٹ اردو کی I have few اردو کے تھوڑے سے مشکل ورڈ آپ کو مجھے بتانا پڑے گا کہ آپ میننگس آپ کو آ جائے گا مجھے لگتا ہے, اور ایک سلینگ اردو کی کچھ سلینگ ہے, you just need to explain کہ اوکے. مخاطب,
I have no idea. آپ مجھے کیوں پوچھ رہے ہیں؟
مجھے ثانیہ مرزا السلام علیکم.
I know the meaning of that.
اچھا چلو, مخاطب نہیں, حالانکہ میں ان سے مخاطب ہوں بٹ پھر بھی انہیں نہیں پتا.
کیا you know me?
مخاطب مطلب I'm addressing you.
Oh, you're addressing.
مخاطب, خطاب کرنا.
اچھا, مجھے آج پتہ چلیں گے بہت سارے ورڈ.
آج پھر آپ شعیب سے آپ اس طرح سے بات
My mother-in-law will be very happy.
برخاست,
وہ مطلب فارغ.
ہاں مطلب وہی پوسٹ پون, مطلب اٹس یو نو ایڈجرنڈ. دشت تنہائی, دشت. خیر یہ آتی ہے, اس کا مطلب ہے فارسٹ یا پھر ڈیزرٹ.
آپ کو خود نہیں پتا.
میں ابھی آپ کو آپ کی پی آر کو میں میسج کر کے بتا دوں جیسے ہی مجھے پتا لگتا ہے.
خود نہیں پتا, آپ مجھے پوچھ رہے ہیں.
ایک مہذب,
I have no idea.
یہ پتا ہونا چاہیے.
کیوں؟
کیونکہ آپ کافی مہذب ہیں, آپ کو پتا ہی نہیں آپ مہذب ہیں. مہذب مطلب عزت کے قابل.
اچھا, اوکے,
سرپرائز.
ٹھیک ہے, یہ سارے یہ سارے مجھے ابھی پتہ چل رہا ہے.
شجر, کم آن.
شجر
آپ کے گھر میں شجر ہے؟
نہیں, کیا ہے شجر؟
آپ کے گھر میں اس وقت 2 شجر ہیں.
مین.
شجر یعنی درخت.
اچھا, ٹریز.
اوکے, تو یہ اچھا,
تو آپ نارمل یہ مجھے درخت پوچھے تو میں
درخت
بتا سکتی ہوں آپ کو.
شجر, آپ ثانیہ مرزا ہیں, آپ مشکل اردو بولیں, آپ حیدرآباد سے ہیں. اوکے, ناؤ موونگ ٹو دی سلینگ اینڈ
آپ کو شاید حیدرآبادی پتہ نہیں ہے, نہیں تو آپ یہ نہیں پوچھتے مجھ سے. آپ مجھ سے بات کریں, اردو میں بات کریں, آپ کو پتہ چل جائے گا.
اوکے, اب ہم ذرا اپنی والی لینگویج پہ آتے ہیں. یہ سلینگ ہے, ٹھیک ہے. پھڈا,
لائک فائٹ, لائک
ایک پھڈا کے بعد پھرا.
میں ویسے پھڈا حیدرآبادی سلینگ نہیں ہے.
نہیں, میں تو اردو کی بات کر
رہا ہوں,
میں حیدرآبادی کی لینگویج. اچھا, پھرا, یہ جو میں کر رہا ہوں اس وقت.
کیا بات؟
پھرا چلے, پھرا مینس وہ چھوٹی سی جو چیٹ شیٹ جو ہوتی ہے نا. اچھا, ہاں مطلب
یہ آپ کر رہے ہیں.
یہ ہاں, یہ مطلب میں دیکھ دیکھ کے جو میں آپ سے بتا رہا ہوں. اور
اس پہ پین کریں,
جگاڑ. جگاڑ یو وڈ نو, ثانیہ وڈ نو جگاڑ.
ہاں, جگاڑ مطلب لائک کیا مطلب, میں جگاڑ
ایزی وے آؤٹ. جگاڑ. ٹوپی,
آئی نو, وہ ٹوپی پہنانا نا کسی کو.
ٹوپی پہنانا. چاول,
چول یہ لوگ کہتے ہیں یار, یہ لوگ ایک دوسرے کو کہتے ہیں بڑا چول ہے. What does it mean? Like stupid.
Like stupid, something like that. It's the last one. Bhand. Come on, Sania, don't do that. بند ہو جائے گا.
I mean, I speak normal language, guys. I know it may come as a surprise to you, but I don't really speak whether it's that or this extreme. What is it?
بھنڈ کا مطلب پرابلم ہو جاتا, مطلب یار یہ تو بہت بڑا بھنڈ ہو گیا, ثانیہ مرزا نے مجھے ڈانٹ دیا, گھر سے نکال دیا, so that would be a bhand. Okay, that's pretty much it. Sania, we have a surprise video for you. Someone has sent a video. We just want to show it to you.
Okay.
Or you don't mind, right? Just اچھا, میں آپ کو پہلے آواز سناتا ہوں, you just have to guess کون ہے, ٹھیک ہے.
ایسا
Okay, so we have received a surprise message from Isam. He was sweet enough to send us this message for Sania, اور انہوں نے کچھ ایسی باتیں بتائی ہیں سانیہ اور ان کی امی کے بارے میں جو کہ شاید آپ کو کم پتہ ہوں گی.
I've known Isam for so long.
What to say about Sania Mirza? Obviously, everybody knows superstar icon, not just in India or Pakistan, but puri duniya ke andar. I know Sania for a very, very long time. I remember the first time she came to Pakistan also, junior ITF tournament khelne ke under 18. I've seen all her struggles as well, future level ke upar, satellite level ke upar, challenges level ke upar, and I always believed she's going to be a superstar and she's going to be a great player because she was always very, very dedicated. Her whole family was, her parents as well. I remember the time we played 2 futures in Nigeria, and wahan pe we were not allowed to leave the hotel premises. We had to eat breakfast, lunch and dinner, everything in the hotel, and it was not COVID time at that time. And lekin wahan ki jo conditions the bahut khatarnak the. And I remember auntie jo hai Sania ki walda, she used to cook every night desi food in Nigeria. And every second day or third day she used to ask all the Pakistani players jo the or Indians to come to their room and dine with them. And it's something I would always cherish and I would never forget. I do remember Sania winning both those tournaments, and I think I have to give all the credit to auntie and her cooking. Uske alawa she میرے خیال سے تو دوستوں کی دوست ہے, یاروں کی یار ہے. She is super humble, and that's one quality I really admire about her. I respect her as a tennis player, I respect her as an athlete, and more importantly, I respect her as a human being and as a friend as well. She's very humble and she's very down to earth, and obviously a role model and inspiration for many women in India and Pakistan and subcontinent. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed.
I've known Isam since I was like 13 years old.
13?
I've known Isam longer than any Pakistani I've ever known. Yeah, I've known him for a very long time. یہ جس جگہ کی بات کر رہے ہیں, ہم لوگ لیگوس میں تھے نائجیریا میں, اور وہاں پہ لٹرلی ہمیں باہر it was really unsafe to go out. تو مما بیٹھ کے وہ باتھ روم میں کھانا بناتی تھی کیونکہ وہ چولہا رکھ کے لائک چاول اور چکن وہ باہر سے منگوا کے اینڈ اسٹف, اینڈ دین آل ہمارے پتہ نہیں کتنے 12-13 انڈین اور پاکستانی ہم سب اکٹھے بیٹھ کے تو کھاتے تھے میرے روم میں. And he's right, I did win both those tournaments. But yeah, I've known Isam for very, very long. Bahut. And my first ever tournament actually was in Pakistan. My first ever international tournament was in Pakistan in ITF when I was 12.
Which city? Really?
In Islamabad.
Whoa, that's news for us. اچھا جی, اس کے بعد سے آپ اسام سے ملنے کے بعد آپ کو پاکستانی پہ بھروسہ ہو گیا ہوگا.
I don't know. نہیں, Isam is a very good friend. Actually, he was here. He came home like last month.
Yeah, he was here.
Yeah, he was here home. And he's doing a lot of great work, a lot of good charity and stuff. So he had Shoaib had given his bat. I gave my
autograph,
my racket. Yeah, so for a good cause. And yeah, like I said, I've known him for so many years. We've been through a lot together. Definitely much better than 25 years ago when I was playing. So it's only getting better. Yeah.
So while I was reading about you, I got to know کہ آپ نے یہ والی ٹرم بہت مرتبہ یوز کی ہے کہ ہماری ہینڈ آئی کوآرڈینیشن بہت اچھی ہوتی ہے. What does that mean while you are on the court?
Well, hand-eye coordination is the basic thing you need to play any sport, and some people have a lot of it, some people have less of it, some people, so it just really depends. It's about how you're coordinating your eye with your limbs really, and when you see a ball how you react and how fast you react to it. So
okay, so it's got nothing to do with your partner. I thought کہ وہ جو اس کو اشارہ کرتے ہیں, because I was actually watching your match, اس میں آپ ہر تھوڑی دیر میں you would say something to either Federer کے ساتھ بھی میں نے آپ کو جو I think جو دہلی میں ہوا تھا IPL. What do you guys talk about? وہ اتنی چھوٹی سی دیر میں what are those?
We talk about where we're going to serve and where we're going to hit the ball, so that the other person is in tune with.
حال چال نہیں پوچھ رہے ہوتے ہیں.
کتنے بار پوچھیں گے 2 گھنٹے میں.
True that. Okay. So speaking of tennis, Sania, is there any one memory of probably آپ تو خیر اتنے انگنت میچز کھیلے ہیں, what would you rate as your most difficult and most interesting match?
Oh, I mean, it's very difficult to say what was the most difficult. I think every match that you play, you have to give your 100% no matter who you're playing. So you can't really judge it like that. But I think that probably one of the best memories is when I became number 1 in the world. I think that's probably a memory, and that's something that every person wants in their life, is to be the best at what they do in the entire world. So yeah, so I think that will probably be the best memory. But toughest match, I think it's unfair to say. I think all matches are probably as tough as the other. Yeah.
And why do they say that tennis is actually a rich man's game? What's the
Because I
context.
think when you play cricket, there's about 22 people who can play with 2 bats in a ball, or even 1 bat in a
Yeah.
ball. And when you're playing tennis or when you're playing football, you have 1 ball and you have many people who can play. But when you play tennis, you need rackets and you need a tennis court. It's not as simple as just going out in the garden or in a park and
Yeah,
just starting
you
to
need a
play
court,
tennis.
yeah,
You
yeah.
need stuff. So it's actually not really. I beg to differ a little bit there, because it's not really a rich man's sport. It's a rich man's sport if you want to become professional. But to play, I don't think it's really a rich man's sport. If you want to go and take lessons or basic, going and playing
Yeah.
at courts and stuff, it's very reachable. But it's not probably as mass
Yeah, true that.
mass oriented as a
क्रिकेट तो रोड
cricket
पे
or
भी
a football.
गलियों में
Exactly,
क्या,
exactly.
गलियों में